I don't know if there's cameras or what, but I'm just telling you, dude ran off with my money, and I'm not getting no pussy, and I don't got no drugs for her, so I'm super pissed. Flat out.
All right.
The fuck you
Columbus
mean?
Police, Tech 107.
Yes, I just gave this guy $25 to buy me a crystal meth, and he ran in his house, didn't come out, and I don't want to do nothing that's irrational, but
Yeah.
either dude gonna give me my money or something gonna happen. So
Yeah. What's the address? And what's your name?
And my name is
I'm sorry. What was it?
Pierre.
Pierre?
Yeah, Pierre.
Can you spell it for me?
Pierre.
And what's your phone number, please?
614.
Okay. Do you know this guy's name?
Nah, so I was on Sullivan Avenue in Cypress at this little, it's like a church building. I was just sitting under it because it was raining. It had like a little bench on it. And a guy said that he could get me some drugs. So I said, I really don't want to do none. But when he said it was cheap, dude took my $25 and went in his green house on Dakota Avenue and didn't come out. So
Okay. What do he look like?
he's black. He has on a blue Champion hoodie, and he had on black pants and a black satchel, a book bag.
Okay.
Don't argue with these people. Don't argue with them. Don't argue with them. Don't argue, man. I'm just going to call the police, like I said.
Okay. And are you standing outside?
I'm outside their house. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not scared of nothing because they got my money.
Yeah. And tell me what you look like. What are you wearing?
I have on cowboy boots, shorts, and a cover.
I'm sorry, a cowboy boots and what?
And a red T-shirt, and I'm using the cover as an umbrella. Yeah, don't argue with them. Don't argue.
Are
Don't
you
argue
white?
with nobody.
Are you white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
I'm black.
Okay. And who's the other person in the background with you?
Sarah, it's just a little chick that we have sex every now and then.
Okay. All right. We'll get somebody out to you, okay?
Yep.
All right.
Hey, what in tarnation's going on? So someone robbed you?
Yeah. Black dude said that he know where to get some ice from, and she said that she likes to smoke it. So, because I'm trying to show her a good time, is I was going to my pocket to get dude money, and then the fuck.
So you guys were going to buy drugs?
Yeah. Don't lie to this man. Don't lie, because it'll be fucked up. Yes.
Okay.
I was trying to get her high, so I can
Okay.
flat out. There's no need to sugarcoat what's going on. I tell her let me talk for a reason.
All right.
And dude ran in his house, never came out. So dude took my $25, and we was on Sullivan in Cypress right here, just sitting in a little benches right there. That's in front of that little church building. And I don't know if there's cameras or what, but I'm just telling you, dude ran off with my money, and I'm not getting no pussy, and I don't got no drugs for her, so I'm super pissed. Flat out.
All right.
And that's what's really going on.
Well, I'm not going to be able to get your money back.
Okay, like that part's cool, but dude.
Okay. So keep your hand in your pocket.
I'm sorry, sir.
That's all right.
Wallet chain. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'll just show you. I don't have no weapons. I don't, sir. No,
Okay.
I got a little something here.
I got you.
No weapons. I don't, man.
All right. So
but that's why I
homeboy grabbed your money, ran in the house, and
just
then
ran
he
in the
come
house
back.
and took it and ran and didn't come out. So
Okay.
therefore, at the end of the day, instead of doing some bullshit, I said I'm gonna stand here till the police come. I'm not scared of you. Like, I'm not scared. Like, you stole my shit, and I don't care. Do what you gotta do, but I'm gonna call the police instead of do something crazy, and we're gonna get to the bottom of why you ran off on my shit.
There's guns down there. They're sitting around.
All right.
Right where they're at.
What it? I'm sorry. Do you know these people here then?
Nah, I don't know these people, man.
I thought you said they ran into this house.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
I followed dude down the alley. Dude went in his house. dude went in his house with my money, so he's stopping me from getting pussy because he ran off with my money to get her right. Flat out.
Okay, well, I mean, we ain't gonna be able to help you get your money back or your drugs or anything like that.
I'm not trying to get money or drugs. I just want something to happen, man. Because at the end of the day, is they stole my shit. Dude had a gun out, and when I was going through my wallet to go do my money, he grabbed the money and ran. So at the end of the day, it's a robbery. It is like he strong-armed me with a gun.
You didn't mention anything about a gun. You said that he had a gun now.
Yeah, so the gun was on his hip. The guy didn't just say, "Give me your money." The guy had his gun shown. He was like, "Oh," he grabbed my money and took off.
And this happened right at Sullivan and Cypress.
Yep.
And then he went run down this alley, ran in his house.
Yep.
Okay. But did he threaten you at all with the gun, or did he just had it out?
He had the gun out on his hip. He snatched my money.
Was it on a holster or in his waistband?
It was just in his waistband. It wasn't
just in his waistband?
Yeah, it wasn't.
All right, so he told you that he knew where to get ice.
Yeah.
And you were like, that sounds cool. I'm about to do that.
Flat out.
And you pulled out money, and he had his gun in his waistband.
Yeah, like this, like.
And then he grabbed it and ran in here.
His house. So I told him I'm not leaving till.
He didn't make any threats though. He didn't pull it out. He didn't fire any gunshots off or point at you, nothing like that. All right. And you said there's a camera. Is the camera going to be able to show him have a gun?
I don't know if there's a camera. I'm saying it's a Sullivan, and everybody knows what goes on Sullivan. So
Ma'am.
She's mad because she ain't got her drugs. I'm just saying I was trying to. help her
yeah, that makes sense.
I mean, just keeping it real.
Okay.
I mean, like that's why I said just let me talk. The truth means I don't gotta make nothing up. I can just tell it how it is.
Okay.
You know, she was selling that for. I was trying to get it right. So why don't we just keep it real?
All right. Yep. Well, yeah. I mean, he may have had a gun on him. You said he didn't point at you, didn't make any threats.
No, but then that's what I'm saying is.
He just said, "I know where you can get some ice," and you were like, "Okay, that sounds cool." Dude, he had money out. He grabbed it and ran off.
Dude ran my money. So at the end of the day.
Okay. It is a theft. Absolutely, it is.
I don't want to do nothing stupid, man. I'm not.
Absolutely, it is.
How
much money was it?
$25, man. It was a 20 and a 5.
A 20 and a 5. What's this gentleman look like?
Black guy. He had on a blue champion hoodie. He had on a black satchel like mine, like a little mini book bag, and he had on black pants. And that's what I noticed.
Okay. How old does he look?
He looked about in his early 30s, like I'm in my early 30s. So we had that.
Height, weight on him?
Yeah, he looked about $150, about 5'10".
Okay. And you said he ran in here?
Yes, sir.
All right. 20 and a 5.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to go try to make contact with these guys here. You just hang out here for a minute, okay?
Yes, sir.
They should not bring trouble here like that.
Say it's just him and his brother.
Just you and your brother in there?
And he's MRDD, so he ain't causing trouble for anybody. He said nobody came running in here recently either.
All right.
I don't know if did they say they've been staying here the whole time, or did they go walking?
They're on the street. She's a 49.
Well, yeah.
He's trying to get her drugs for 49 activity. And it's kind of fun because he just flat out says it. So
It's not this block, I don't think.
They come to my damn door and hollering something about ice.
Unless they
I don't
pulled it
know,
all
maybe that's what they're on.
down, because there was a trap house that was all like.
But that's my garage. There ain't. I mean, you guys can look if you want. There's nothing here. There's
All right.
here, man. I don't start.
There's nobody else in the house?
Yeah, I got my brother in there. He's
Just your
on
brother?
Georgia.
You mind if I just poke my head in there and say
Yeah,
hi?
come on, you
Is
can
he
look, man.
is he all right? What's his name?
Girlfriend's here. No, there's my brother right here. This is my brother.
Hello.
You know,
We might have a I don't know. These people here probably on some drugs.
Or something wrong.
But they said there's someone running the house, and
That's a lie. My door's been locked all
Okay.
morning. I've been here.
you guys are the only ones that live here?
The only one that lives here, man.
Just you live here and him?
Yeah. Me and my brother. I take care of
You and your
him.
brother?
He's my
All right.
retard.
Nobody else lives upstairs or downstairs?
No. I mean, my buddy's girlfriend's here, but
Okay.
here's that.
That's okay. It could
But I
be.
mean, you
It could
know,
be. It could be a
yeah.
bit of a misunderstanding.
It's
so.
something's got to be wrong.
He said he's seen someone run into here, and there ain't no one in here
didn't happen. I've
that
been
matches
here all
the
morning.
description. So.
I have. I've been here all morning.
All right. All right.
I mean,
I appreciate
if something happened, I'd sure be one to tell you guys. You hear?
All right, appreciate it.
Ain't no problem. Yeah, something going on.
Oh, yeah. What's going on? Thanks for talking to us.
Ain't no problem. Yeah, she hit my house with that stick. I started to call you guys myself, so I did.
Are you positive it was that house? Because I was just in there, walked around. There was nobody in there that matched that description. These guys, there's two old guys that live there, and they said they ain't had anyone run into their house.
I know, man. But that's
Was it a house? Was it a house nearby? Maybe you thought it was that one because down the alley. I mean,
Now, trust me, is I was on Sullivan Cypress, so you can really take this alley and cut through a parking lot of that little building thing. It's a church right here in the parking lot. I just cut through the parking lot and watched, dude.
okay.
I'm not watching clear as day.
Okay. Well, like I said, I was in there.
We did an SB.
There was two old guys and I guess his buddy's girlfriend was in there. So those were the only people in that house.
Okay.
So I'll take down your info.
Yep.
All right. I'll
Yes,
get
sir.
you a port number and whatnot.
Thank you, man.
And where do you stay at?
I live at that shelter.
Van Buren?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Honestly.
Well, maybe I know it's kind of a silly thing to say, but probably ixnay on the UGG drays there for a while. All right, maybe find a way to attract women that don't need acquired such a taste.
I know, man.
What's your name, man?
Pierre Williams, Pierre Williams.
Birthday?
6/21/89.
That's $25.
Yes, sir.
I got the description. 5'10", 150. Had a little
Yeah,
beardish kind.
yeah.
Champion backpack.
Nah, blue champion hoodie,
Blue Champion.
black backpack, black pants.
Okay.
Black
Blue
guy.
Champion hoodie.
Is it a black guy you said?
Yup, black guy.
How about skin tone? Dark, light?
Dark, real
dark?
real dark. Like
Okay.
black.
Okay.
I
All right.
definitely
Well,
didn't look like anybody in that.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Right there, my man.
I'm gonna put it in my wallet, man.
Yeah. Try to find better places to hang out too, because you'll need someone out here. 49 doing 49 stuff.
Yes, I love these horses. All right,
Well,
man. All right. Sorry.
Don't leave them alone too. They're gonna get you.
I know, man.
Yeah,
Thank you, man.
they can get you some kind of disease that you can't shake off.